it's that science chick, and today we're going to be making a homemade fire extinguisher. You'll need baking soda, a cup, a candle, vinegar, and adult supervision. First, let's have a science break. Flames need oxygen to keep them flowing, and baking soda and vinegar produce carbon dioxide when they're mixed together. So when you put carbon dioxide over the oxygen coming from the flame, it puts the flame out. Let's get to it. First, let's put a little bit of baking soda in the bottom of a cup. Not too much. And then you'll need the vinegar. And you want to put the vinegar in here and then slowly place it over the flame. And none of the water even touched it. The carbon dioxide from the chemical reaction put the flame out. That's how you make a homemade fire extinguisher. Bye for now.